Now look what I found today. Look. I think it's going from here. You can see it's a bit muddy. It's dirty. Somehow it's getting through the panel. And it's muddy over there as well. So this is why I left those gaps between. You see, if anything ever happens, water will have to travel all the way to this drainage point. It's stuck properly, so it's not gonna go underneath, but here where the welds are, water will dry out, otherwise it will just completely rust. So this is exactly what I've done it. I just removed the wheel and I noticed something shiny underneath. Come on. So definitely will be a bit quieter if I have everything covered, but now any water, even if I spill a bottle of water, everything will be soaked. And if you're not gonna stick it properly, you'll trap the moisture and then you're done. You're never gonna get it out. Imagine taking everything out from this car. Come on. So that was a good decision. I'm happy. Back to work. Have a look at that. It's all done. Numbers. This is all I got left. Overall, what you can see here and on the roof, it's 75 pounds of insulation. So this is 35 kilograms, almost. I wasn't holding back. I was trying to do as much as I could. There's no air gaps underneath. If you get air gap, then apparently the insulation doesn't work in this part. C-pillar, as much as I could have done around the airbag. I can't remove them because the bolts are just tricky. I would have to rip it out, and I didn't want to do it. Airbag is important. It was a week of grinding, and now the next step is going to be lining interior with this foam insulation. Apparently this takes out all the road noise, and I also got 8 square meters of that, but maybe I'm not going to use everything. It's going to be a lot of hard work to put the interior back together. I'm always losing or forgetting which nuts go where, and I always promise myself that I will take pictures and take the note where each bolt goes to. I'm gonna put carpet back, and next time you'll see me driving it with fixed upholstery panel. And really I wasn't aware of water leaks inside my car, and if I wouldn't have done this job, I would never had the opportunity to look inside my car. But if you see here, the water was definitely coming here for a long time, and you could see the water dripping from here. There's a small gap in the panel. So first I thought that it's the tail lamp, and I was right, it wasn't sealed properly. What is sealing this element is that gasket, foam gasket, and it's around 5 millimeters thick, but after 20 years, where it's touching the edge, it's probably nothing at all in terms of thickness to it. So that definitely was leaking, because I had water up to here, and so then I thought I fixed the leak, but it kept going inside the car. So then I thought that this might be this element, and I was putting water over here, and it was actually dripping. So there was two things that were wrong with it, and after fixing this, it kept going, and it turns out that this part was removed before and it's not properly sealed. One of the teeth is broken, so it's only sitting here nicely, but it's not sealed properly. So I used roof sealant, so I've sealed both parts, both sides, and I put duct tape around here to make sure it's definitely going to be sealed at this moment, because I had 1, 2, 3 places where the water was coming from, and you would think that's enough of water leaks, but no. As you see, I've got those vents, and they have been removed before. They don't have a seal around them, and in heavy rain this also is leaking. So I had 4 places just around the back of my car that the water was trying to seep through, and you can see it's already rusty. So I'm gonna address that later on, but now I have to finish the interior. So where do I even start? I don't know. As always, I don't know. Let's go. And this is how it looks like. I wanted to have something done today, end of the week, and this is nice summary of a week's work. I was working really hard. I used big pieces. They were very awkward to put, but there's no gaps in between them. If there's any gaps, I use the tape, and now I can put carpet back on. I washed the carpet as well. I think it looks really good. I started to work on the upholstery, so that's going to be on the next video, and this looks really good. I'm very pleased with that. and I hope it's gonna be worth it. What a week. It was fun. I wanted to have this stage finished. It wasn't too bad. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. I'm not feeling well. I feel weak. Work-life balance. I shouldn't do it because my mind tells me let it go. But my mind also tells me, come on mate, look after yourself. If you're not strong, you have to train to get strong. If you're strong, keep working to stay strong.